Let's begin with Wise Business. Wise has built its entire reputation on making international transfers as fair and straightforward as possible. When you open a Wise Business account, you get access to local bank details in multiple major currencies, like US dollars, British pounds, euros, and Australian dollars. This means clients in those regions can pay you as if you were a local business, saving you from traditional wire fees and slow processing times. Wise is all about transparency. You see the exact mid-market exchange rate every time you send or receive money, and the platform shows the fee before you confirm a transfer. There are no hidden markups or complicated conversion costs. That clarity gives small businesses real control over their finances. Transfers are also incredibly fast. Many arrive within minutes, and even slower routes usually take no more than a day or two. From a usability standpoint, Wise Business is simple and clean. You can create invoices, pay contractors, and manage currencies all from one dashboard. It integrates directly with accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero, which helps keep your books in sync automatically. For developers or tech-driven businesses, Wise offers an API that allows custom payment automation, mass payouts, and detailed financial tracking, all built right into your workflow. Now, let's talk about Revolut Business. Revolut takes a broader approach. It does not just handle international transfers, it also acts as a modern business banking hub. You can hold and exchange more than 24 currencies, issue physical and virtual cards to team members, and manage all your spending through one sleek platform. Where Revolut really shines is team management. You can set spending limits, track expenses in real time, and approve or reject transactions instantly. That kind of control makes a big difference for companies with distributed teams or frequent travel. Revolut also offers built-in integrations with accounting software and tools like Slack, making it easier to tie finance and communication together. In terms of foreign exchange, Revolut uses its own interbank rate model, which is competitive during standard business hours, but may include small markups on weekends or off-peak times. Transfers between Revolut accounts are instant, but international payments outside the network can take a little longer than Wise. The main difference between these two platforms is their focus. Wise is built first and foremost for moving money across borders cheaply and transparently. Revolut Business is built for managing your entire company's finances in one place, from spending and payroll to international transfers. Either way, both platforms prove that small and medium enterprises today have more power than ever to manage global money smarter, faster, and on their own terms.